Hi, today I'm with me Realme C33 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then we should scroll down to the system section. If developer mode is activated, you'll see here developer options section, and just to hide developer options, we should click on this swatcher. Just to do that, we should restart our device. So just click to restart, and now we should wait a couple of seconds or just the minute, I think, to restart our device. Let's open the settings, the system section, to be sure that the developer mode is turned off. So let's tap to the system and we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.